Physical fitness for a strong personality. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about physical fitness for a strong personality. In this world everyone wants to be fit and fine, but very less people is working for healthy and fit personality. But today we are going to tell you about how you can take care of your physical fitness. Watch this video till end for better understanding. Physical fitness is not only about sculpting a strong and healthy body but also plays a pivotal role in shaping a robust and resilient personality. Moreover, the discipline required to maintain a consistent fitness routine translates into other aspects of life. The commitment to regular exercise instills qualities such as dedication, perseverance, and time management, which are integral components of a strong personality. Physical fitness is also closely linked to increased energy levels and enhanced cognitive function. A healthy body supports a healthy mind, improving concentration, memory, and overall cognitive abilities. This exploration will delve into the profound connections between physical fitness and personality development. We will uncover how an active and healthy lifestyle becomes a catalyst for building a strong and compelling personality. In this exploration, we will explain about where physical fitness and personality intersect, uncovering the secrets to unlocking the full spectrum of human potential. Join us in understanding how the commitment to physical well-being acts as a transformative catalyst for the development of a strong and magnetic personality. Follow these amazing techniques to build strong fitness. Regular exercise. Regular exercise is a cornerstone of maintaining optimal physical fitness and overall well-being. Physical fitness encompasses cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, flexibility, and body composition, and regular exercise contributes significantly to each of these components. Cardiovascular exercises, such as jogging, cycling, or swimming, enhance heart health and improve circulation, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Strength training exercises, like weightlifting or bodyweight exercises, build and tone muscles, enhancing overall strength and functionality. Flexibility exercises, such as stretching or yoga, promote joint health and mobility. Balanced nutrition. Balanced nutrition is the major part of a healthy lifestyle, providing the body with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. A well-balanced food encompasses a variety of food groups, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and dairy or dairy alternatives. A balanced nutrition supports vital bodily functions, such as metabolism, immune system function, and energy production. Drink water to stay hydrated. Plain water is your best bet to keep your body hydrated. Every part of your body needs water to function properly. While you do get some water from the foods you eat as well as from other drinks, make plain water your go-to. Your body uses it more efficiently. The specific amount of water you need to stay hydrated varies depending on your body size and activity level. Always drink water before, during, and after a workout to help recover the water your body loses through sweat. Keep a bottle of water with you so you always have some handy. This will make it easier to remember to take small sips of water throughout the day. Stay active throughout the day. Staying active is a fundamental aspect of maintaining physical fitness and overall well-being. Even if you exercise regularly, you won't get the full benefit of that exercise if you're sedentary the rest of the time. Luckily, it is pretty easy to sneak activity into your day. Here are some ideas. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, work in the yard, gardening, mowing, or raking leaves. Tidy up your home, wash and wax your car by hand, walk somewhere instead of driving. By choosing to stay active, individuals empower themselves to lead healthier, more vibrant lives, reaping the rewards of increased energy, improved sleep, and a heightened sense of overall vitality. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. A best night's sleep helps restore energy and repair damage. A consistent sleep pattern will really help boost your physical health. Start winding down about an hour before you plan to go to bed. Turn off the screens and read a book or listen to relaxing music. Try to go to bed at around the same time every night and wake up at around the same time every morning. This helps your body's circadian rhythm adjust so when it's time to go to bed, you'll actually be tired. Keep the room where you sleep quiet and dark. Having a light or the TV on makes it harder to go to sleep and fall into a deep sleep. The benefits extend far beyond the physical. encompassing mental well-being, stress reduction, and an overall improvement in the quality of life. The decision to stay active is an investment in one's own health, longevity, and vitality, and a profound connection between the body and the self. Physical fitness is not just a destination. It is a continuous, enriching voyage towards a healthier and more fulfilling existence.